At Tip Top Renovation, we bring your vision to life. Since 2004, we've been Florida's trusted partner for residential and commercial renovations. Whether it's a complete home makeover or just a single room, our whole house renovations turn your dream home into reality. From state-of-the-art kitchens to serene, spa-like bathrooms, we specialize in creating spaces that match your lifestyle. Our flooring installation and refinishing services bring elegance and durability to your home or office, ensuring it looks stunning for years. We replace outdated windows and doors with energy-efficient and secure options that enhance the look and feel of your space. We help you navigate the complexities of violation corrections and permits, so your project is hassle-free and fully compliant. Our HVAC and water heater services ensure comfort, efficiency, and reliability for your home or business. At Tip Top Renovation, we offer complete renovation solutions, transforming your space with expert craftsmanship and personal care. Ready to bring your vision to life? Contact Tip Top Renovation today.